Every electronic device needs electricity for its operation. Electricity is produced in hydropower plants, thermal power plants, solar power plants, wind power plants, and nuclear power plants. The power plant can be hundreds of kilometers away, or you can have it on your own roof or yard. All power plants produce alternating current, which allows electricity to travel from the power plant to your home without major losses. The electrical voltage in electronic outlets throughout the European Union is 230 volts. All electronic devices require direct current to operate. Electronic devices operate on electrical voltages between 3 and 12 volts. The power supply converts alternating current from your home electrical network to direct current and reduces the electrical voltage required to operate the electronic device accordingly. If our device stops working, we need to find out where the fault is and, if possible, fix it ourselves. First, switch the power switch of the device off and on again. There is usually a control light next to the power switch which illuminates when the device is on. If the light does not illuminate, unplug and reconnect the power cord to the power socket on the back of the electronic device. Then check the control light next to the power switch again. If you're still not successful, follow the power cord from the device to the power socket or power strip. Some power strips also have their own power switch with a control light. By turning it off and on again, check the operation of this as well. At the other end, the power cord is plugged into a power socket. Unplug it and then plug it back in to check that the power cord is properly plugged into a power socket. All power sockets in the apartment or office are connected to a fuse box. Larger apartments and offices may also have more fuse boxes. Open the fuse box and check that all fuses in it are switched on. The fuse switches off automatically if too many devices are connected to it or if one of them consumes too much electrical power. The fuse can also switch off automatically if a device or its power cord is defective. You can turn on the fuse yourself. If it switches off again immediately afterwards, then disconnect the appliance, which may be defective or is consuming too much electrical power. Then repeat the exercise. Just like electronic devices on your desk, mobile devices operate on 5 volts of direct current. Because they are mobile, while not plugged in, they use electricity stored in a battery. The battery is charged with a USB charger that converts 230 volts of alternating current into 5 volts of direct current. The current flows from USB charger to the mobile device via a USB cable. Different mobile devices use different USB cables, which differ only in the shape of the end port. We know older micro USB ports, newer USB-C ports, and Lightning ports used by Apple mobile devices. Different electronic devices consume different amounts of electrical power to operate. On each USB charger, the amount of electrical current and voltage it produces is written. If we multiply the electric current by the voltage, we get the electric power. If the battery of the mobile device is not charging, first check the operation of the power socket to which the charger is connected with another device, for example, a desk or night lamp. If the power socket works, replace the USB cable that connects the USB charger and the mobile device. If that doesn't help, replace the USB charger. Before calling a service technician, check whether your apartment or office has electricity at all. Turn the light switch on and off and check if light goes on and off also. Remember, call the service technician only after previously checking and trying to eliminate all possible errors described in this video by yourself. This will save you time and money that you would otherwise spend on a highly qualified service technician for a task you can do yourself. It is important to know if you need to call a service technician for the electrical network or for an electronic device. When calling a service technician, always describe the error in detail and all the procedures performed before the call. Many times the service technician can help you with advice on what else you can do yourself to correct the error.